In the past few years, the small town of Ljubljana became a city of big opportunities. The European Green Capital, as proclaimed in 2016, is welcoming to new investors and generous with great convenience. And above all, Ljubljana is beautiful, open, and ever-evolving. Imagine the ideal combination of business opportunities, modern technologies, and reliable economy, positioned in the heart of pure nature. That's Ljubljana. Let's zoom in on this lively part of the river city. At the shore of Ljubljanica grows a modern, ecological, and sustainable society, empowered by the energy of the flowing water. To enhance the quality of life, Ljubljana is developing new investment opportunities along the river. Bridging private and public interest, Ljubljana is developing modern and sustainable infrastructure to support quality development projects. We strive to optimize the quality of life in Ljubljana by building a smart and safe community. Ljubljana Smart City Platform will enable frictionless cooperation among city institutions and departments, providing quality information for citizens and businesses. Our integrated system enables focused, fast, and well-informed development, making investment decisions easy. There is also a whole ecosystem of solution providers to speed up the growth. Discover more by accessing UrbInfo, our public spatial information system that permits you to explore the Ljubljana zoning ordinance and see where and how much can be built on a particular site. To imagine the bright future of your investment even better, try Modelur, a tool for 3D urban design. With the built-in rules such as maximum floor space index, built-up area factor, or allowed building heights, Modelur helps you design the development per the urbanistic detailed plan's provisions. Ljubljana is implementing INEP, a cloud-based web application to digitally manage all real estate operations. Ljubljana municipality departments and institutions can now manage, communicate, and seamlessly exchange information from a single point to provide quality support to investors and citizens. Green, open, accessible, connected. Think of Ljubljana as a river city with connected, smart, and safe community, driving new business opportunities. Invest in Slovenia. Invest in Ljubljana. Scan the QR code.